So welcome back to another video, and today's the weekend, and for this weekend I'm going to show you some surprise. We're going out somewhere now, so I will reach the place and show you. Welcome back to AJ's Kindness vlog, and let us go out with this people over here. Okay, so we shall go out and show you where I'm going to have to freshen ourselves for the weekend. Okay, so let's go. This is the house where I'm speaking about. We just reached now, and then as you can see, it looks beautiful, and there's a place for them to play badminton. You can see the flowers. It's blooming full now, in full bloom, right in front of his house. The entrance gives very mesmerizing look. They maintain the flowers well. Okay. Hello. Yes. Okay. Hello. Shout. One more, I'll run. What's Yeah, take the video. I swim. Let's jump once more and then just see. Sometimes you need to be a kid. You just have to be a kid to enjoy the beauty of life, because being an adult is sometimes so tiring. Lots of worries, tensions, and we find out all kind of problems, which actually should not which actually should not disturb us, but we find all possible problems and difficulties, create for ourselves, and then we complain to God, why this, why that. So sometimes we have to be kid, we have to be playful and be happy for ourselves, because nobody will bring happiness for us. Oh shit, I almost fell. Happiness is inside job, and so we have to create our own happiness. There are some few things that we cannot buy with money, and one of it is happiness. And so these little things creates happiness in our life. What a we humans are quite selfish sometimes. Myself being a human, we want to possess whatever is good keep for us, and then give to someone what is bad. So in the same way, the place is so good that I want to take this place and then stay here for some more time. But unfortunately, this place does not belong to me, so we'll have to move on. And then hopefully, if life fortune us or favor fortune us, we'll get a chance to come back. Otherwise, we'll have to say bye bye. So bye bye. And once again, dear viewers and then subscribers, my families, thank you for entering into my Ages Kindness blog and then keeping me going. Quite impressive, quite encouraging. Yes, as long as we live, we're here to help each other, and so the only help we can do, to me, the rendering help is to just give a subscribe and then share with people. It may be helpful to you, may not be helpful to you, but helping someone will always give you a joy. So to get that joy, you may most probably do subscribe to my channel and do share this video with the people whom you know. So thank you for entering my vlog, and hopefully we'll see you in the next vlog if life keeps us going. So thank you very much, and do enjoy the time you have, because the little thing that we have comes with a reason, and we should not waste that reason. So until then, bye bye.